Hello and welcome to KSGindia.com. Now let us talk about the world's longest high-altitude tunnel. The world's longest high-altitude tunnel on Manali-Leh National Highway is fully ready to open in Himachal Pradesh, Lahaul-Spiti district, a senior border road organization BRO official said on 20th September 2020. The 9-kilometer Atal tunnel, built at an altitude of about 10,000 feet above the sea level in Lahaul-Spiti, Rohtang, is likely to be formally inaugurated by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. The Atal tunnel, built at a cost of about Rs 3,500 crore, is extremely significant from the defense point of view. This will not only shorten the distance between Manali and Leh by 46 km, but will also be beneficial for the residents of Lahaul-Spiti, especially during the winter. Once thrown open, the tunnel will provide all-weather connectivity to remote border areas of Himachal Pradesh, Lahaul-Spiti and Leh and Ladakh, which otherwise remain cut off from the rest of the country for about 6 months due to heavy snowfall during the winters. The BRO worked relentlessly to overcome major geological, terrain and weather challenges that included the most difficult stretch of 587-meter Serai Nalla fault zone. The breakthrough from both ends was achieved on October 15, 2017. The tunnel provides a telephone facility at every 150 meters of its stretch, a fire hydrant every 60 meters, emergency exits every 500 meters, turning Cowan every 2.2 kilometers, air quality monitors every 1 kilometer, broadcasting system and automatic incident detection system with CCTV cameras every 250 meters. It has a 10.5 meter wide single tube bi-lane tunnel with a fireproof emergency egress tunnel built into the main tunnel itself. The historic decision to construct the strategic tunnel below the Rohtang Pass was taken on June 3, 2000, when Shri late Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister. The foundation stone for the access road to the south portal of the tunnel was laid on May 26, 2002. The Union government on December 25th last year named the strategic tunnel under the Rohtang Pass in Himachal Pradesh after former Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee in a tribute to him on his 95th birth anniversary. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Thank you for watching KSGindia.com. Stay tuned for more updated and informative videos. Thank you.